Enhances rider safety, records accidents, provides evidence, improves situational awareness, and captures memorable journeys during motorcycle rides. My today's video is about top 5 best motorcycle helmet cameras that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Alarmoy waterproof helmet camera for motorcycle. This ultra-wide 4K action camera is a powerful compact device built for adventure, vlogging, and everyday recording. With 4K/30 fps resolution and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, it captures sharp, detailed, and immersive footage. The advanced EIS 2.0 6-axis stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free videos even during fast action, making it ideal for sports and outdoor activities. Its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows effortless pairing with the ViPulse app, enabling remote control, live preview, and instant sharing to your phone. The IPX68 waterproof rating up to 33 feet, 10 meters, means you can confidently use it underwater without an extra case, perfect for swimming, surfing, snorkeling, or rainy conditions. The ultra-compact magnetic design offers versatile mounting options, letting you attach it to clothing, helmets, bikes, or gear for hands-free POV shooting. With 64 GB built-in storage and up to 350 minutes of total battery life using the charging case, it ensures uninterrupted recording for long adventures. Overall, this mini action camera is a reliable, portable, and feature-packed choice for creators and explorers. Now our second product is a Keo waterproof motorcycle helmet camera. This 4K motorcycle dash cam delivers reliable, high-quality performance for riders who need safety and clarity on every journey. Equipped with a high-precision gyroscope and EIS anti-shake technology, it ensures smooth and stable footage even on rough roads or high-speed rides. The camera captures sharp 4K video, with the advanced Starvis IMX335 sensor providing enhanced clarity, while the 142 degrees wide-angle lens records a broad view of the road, even in low-light conditions. It also supports continuous recording with loop recording and a built-in G-sensor, making it ideal for accident evidence and travel documentation. The included 64 GB card offers ample storage, while parking monitoring adds 24-hour protection for your vehicle. With an IP66 rated waterproof and dustproof design plus a 1800 mAh battery offering up to 4.5 hours of recording, it performs well in all weather conditions. Wireless Wi-Fi connectivity and a dedicated app make operation easy with real-time preview, playback, and sharing. Multiple mounting options ensure flexible installation on motorcycles, bicycles, and helmets, making it a practical and dependable riding companion. Our third product is Surrounder motorcycle helmet camera. This 1080p HD action camera is a compact and reliable device designed for capturing everyday moments with clarity and convenience. It records in full HD 1080p resolution, delivering sharp and detailed footage with strong low-light performance, making it suitable for both daytime and nighttime use. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens ensures a broad field of view, so more of the scene is captured in every shot. For photography, the 12MP sensor produces vibrant, cinematic quality images, especially useful for landscapes and travel moments. The continuous shooting mode adds flexibility for capturing fast action sequences. Wireless connectivity allows easy connection to your smartphone via an app, enabling real-time preview, playback, and instant downloading of photos and videos without data usage. Battery performance is also practical, offering up to 3 hours of continuous recording, with support for charging while recording through the Type-C port. Additionally, H.264 compression reduces file sizes by around 50%, helping you save valuable storage space. Overall, it's a simple, efficient, and travel-friendly camera for everyday recording needs. Now number 4, Concevi Dual Lens Motorcycle Helmet Camera. This dual-lens 2K motorcycle helmet camera is a compact and powerful recording solution designed for riders and outdoor enthusiasts. It captures both front and rear views in sharp 2K per 30 frames per second or smooth 1080p/60 fps, using dual 120 degrees wide-angle lenses and a 6-layer glass system for clear, detailed footage in all conditions. Weighing only 117 g, it is lightweight and comfortable to mount on helmets, making it ideal for motorcycling, biking, skiing, and other adventures. The IP65 waterproof and dustproof rating ensures reliable performance in different weather environments. It comes with a 32GB memory card, loop recording, and a quick lock feature that automatically saves important moments during continuous recording. The 1500 mAh battery offers 3 to 4 hours of usage, and it can also record while charging via a power bank, ensuring uninterrupted shooting. With built-in Wi-Fi and smartphone connectivity, users can easily preview, control, and share footage. The included 2.4G remote allows convenient operation from a distance. Easy, tool-free installation makes it a practical and dependable choice for capturing every ride and adventure. And our last choice is Sisto Bicycle Motorcycle Helmet Camera. This 1080p HD bicycle helmet camera is a practical and reliable device designed for safe and clear riding documentation. It features a 1080p HD lens with enhanced night vision, ensuring clear video even in low-light conditions. The 150 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens effectively reduces blind spots, capturing more of the surroundings for a complete riding perspective. One of its standout features is the intelligent vibration-based auto power on-off system, which automatically starts recording when motion is detected and shuts down after inactivity, offering a truly hands-free experience. Built-in Wi-Fi support allows easy connection to the Wi-Fi camera app for real-time preview, playback, and quick video downloads. The 1200 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 2 hours of recording, and Type-C charging ensures convenient power options. It also supports direct file transfer to a computer without removing the SD card. With G-sensor collision detection and loop recording, important footage is automatically protected. Waterproof and dustproof construction makes it suitable for all weather conditions, making it a dependable companion for cycling and outdoor adventures. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.